Shivaya. Welcome to this tutorial for the Shakti Waterfall practice. The Shakti Waterfall practice has been an integral part of my sadhana and spiritual practice to return to my feminine power, to return to my Shakti, to nourish Shakti, to return to my sovereignty, and to do like a really nice goddess rinse, you can also call this, to really wake up the entire body. I am sitting in the forest in Manali. The sun is so beautiful. There's other furry friends here as well. I have attracted all the animals. Aja. No, now this guy's ruining my video. Wait. Hut. Chip. Up. Up. Okay. So starting with the Shakti waterfall practice, we'll place one hand in our heart, one hand in our womb or our lower belly, and we'll make 3 sounds. So connecting with your heart, connecting with your womb space. Deep inhale. Putting the hands together, generating prana, generating Shakti, generating heat, bringing them over the face, the eyes. Then I want to invite you to drag the fingernails up and back into the skull. Opening up the hair. Moving any stagnant energy here. You can take your finger pads and make circular motions. Really moving any stagnant energy here. Giving yourself a nice massage, nice head massage. I'll be going through this a little fast, but depending on where you are in your cycle or how your energy is feeling, you can go as fast or slow as you need. The next thing we'll do is bring our hands down to where our head and our neck meet. This is where oxytocin is produced, oxytocin being the love hormone. So really massaging this area here where oxytocin is produced, giving yourself your own love, as we could all use more of our own love. The love you so freely give to others, give to yourself. Moving your hands down on your shoulders, massaging the shoulders here for a moment, releasing any weight of the world you may have unintentionally assumed or intentionally, but allowing yourself to take a moment to release any weight you've been carrying on your shoulders for too long. Beautiful. Now coming up and massaging the ears. Massaging inside the ears. All the doggies are around me everywhere. This is so beautiful. Massaging inside the ears, massaging behind the ears, getting really nice in the ears. I have earrings on, but really massaging the earlobes as well, all around the ears. And then taking 2 fingers where there's a bone behind the ear, massaging this area where the vagus nerve exits the body, massaging this area here. As you can see, I'm taking 2 fingers, massaging this area here. Bringing the hands to the jaw, massaging the jaw here, releasing and purging any sounds you need to, any backbiting, any gossiping, anything left unsaid. We store a lot of energy in our jaw, so really massaging this area here. Allow yourself to get weird, allow yourself to get silly. This is your practice, this is your time. Make whatever noises, sounds you need to make. Beautiful. Now taking 2 fingers, I like to call this Durga awakening. Taking 2 fingers, the smooth part of your bone, massaging up and down this bone. on this smooth area of your temples, up and down, up and down, up and down. Go in circular motions, taking some time to really ground, connect here, pulsating here. This allows your breath to settle, to feel more calm, to go more slow. Beautiful. Waking up the warrior goddess within you. Now you want to go into the eyebrow bone, the waterline, wiping away any tension you might have be holding at this area of your face. So you want to squeeze. Beautiful. Now tapping, using some EFT techniques, tapping the temples, tapping the forehead, tapping under the eyes, the cheeks, the chin, the upper lip, tapping the entire face, massaging the throat. Then we'll take 3 big claps together. Taking one hand, massaging with one arm, other hand, the other arm, massaging here. Making an infinity with loop with your wrist. Shaking out the wrist, the hands. Bring your hands to your heart, and you can repeat these affirmations after me or just simply listen. I am safe in my body. I am secure on this earth. I am free in my spirit, and I know my worth. I am safe in my body. I'm secure on this earth. I'm free in my spirit, and I know my worth. I am safe in my body. I'm secure on this earth. I'm free in my spirit, and I know my worth. Taking a moment to connect with the power of your heart, the electromagnetic field of your heart, your Anahata chakra, the limitless part of your being. Using one hand to massage underneath the armpits. And let's see if I can get into my shirt, but massaging the breast. In tantra, the breasts are considered the receptors of love. So getting nice and taking your time here. I'm doing this a little fast, but remember, taking your time, tweaking the nipples, allowing blood to circulate. Other side, taking one hand, massaging underneath the armpit. Going to the other breast, giving the other breast some love and attention. Tweaking the nipples, allowing blood to circulate. Taking a moment again to connect with your heart. We'll do some Tarzan fist chest bumps. Coming back down, rubbing your belly, circular motions, massaging the belly. Taking 2 fists, punching underneath the belly button. And also shake here to activate your Muladhara chakra, feeling the ground beneath you, shaking here for a moment, noticing how that feels. We'll do some Sufi grinds, going in circles. Going the other way. Now you can do this standing or sitting, because I'm in the forest and on a rock right now. I'm going to do this sitting, but basically massaging your legs, waking up the legs, massaging the legs, And on the other side, massaging the legs, giving some extra attention to your knees. I have bad knees from tennis, so then our toes and our feet, massaging our feet, giving our own touch to our feet. Other foot as well. Taking some butterfly here. Make sure you have fun doing this, you know. It's a pleasure practice, not a torture practice. So make sure you're enjoying yourself, enjoying your body, enjoying your Shakti, enjoying your femininity, whether in your male body or female body, whatever body you're in. Honoring and taking some time to honor the divine feminine within you. And from here you can get up and do maybe some breathwork practices, or your yoga practice, or maybe sing a short prayer to honor the Shakti within you. We will close with chanting 3 Oms and 3 Shantis together. Back straight. Sarvamangalamangalaye Sive Sarvat Sadike Sharane Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Narayani Namostute. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Namah Shivaya. Jai Ma Kali. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Take care of yourself. Nourish your Shakti. You are beautiful. You are divine. You are pure. You are powerful. Sending you a lot of Shakti from my heart to yours.